It's time to be adventurous and plan your globe-trotting adventure. Welcome to Travel-tastic, and today we are counting down our picks for the top 10 reasons to visit Bangkok, the capital of Thailand. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Travel-tastic and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. There are few cities on earth that enrapture and shock at the same time. Bangkok is one. For those who deify Singapore, Bangkok may not be the best pick, but for those enamored with frantic street life, jambalayas of architectural styles, and nights full of people, smells, and unusual sights, Bangkok holds something of value every second. Check out our top reasons for visiting the city. Reason 1. Nightlife. One of the reasons the city is beloved by many is its nightlife. Here you can find options that cater to the most demanding taste in nightlife scenery, as well as to the average gap-year student hungry for a frantic routine of socializing. For those searching for a unique upscale experience and willing to take selfies to share how sophisticated their sense of place is, head to one of the city's top-notch ritzy rooftop bars. Here, the bling bling is a must and people in casual clothes won't be allowed in. Try Sky Bar, famous for being featured in Hangover 2, and Moon Bar, another posh establishment with a splendid view over the Chao Phraya, especially photogenic at sunset. To go out in more casual garb, head to Cloud 47 or hop on a speedy Vaporetto a la Thai and head to Khao San Road, situated close to the river. There it is backpackers' paradise, well known for its cheap hostel and street food and 24/7 nightlife, which at night lands a backdrop for snapshots shared only with the most intimate of friends, for the road is covered in seemingly breathless backpackers to whom inebriation is a long-awaited lullaby. Note that one of the best hostels to stay is O Compound Hostel, where one can sit out distance working in a veritable garden. Bunks are under $7 a night with free water and Wi-Fi. Check out a nice noodlery just round the corner from the hostel with a mouth-watering pork soup, or the district's maze of canals, which give you a hint of what Bangkok used to be like in its past, crisscrossed with waterways. Reason 2. Shopping. Bangkok, by justice known as the shopping capital of the world, with even people from developed countries marveling at the sheer magnitude of its malls and plazas. For sure, your shopping spree will be made easier through highly advanced and comfortable public transport infrastructure, from iconic Siam's courtesy boats to overground BTS SkyTrain and underground MRT. On the list of each and every shopaholic must be added Siam Paragon, with upscale boutiques, bowling alleys and cinemas, and one of the world's best bookstores, some 20 minutes walk from the lungs of the city Lumpini Park and adjacent MBK and Siam Square. Also on the list should be Chatuchak Market, the world's largest open-air trading place, and a myriad of the Thai capital's floating bazaars, bringing a glimpse of what the city used to be like when most major transport arteries were scenic canals plied by lazy sampans. Reason 3. Food. Indolence is in the air in Bangkok, and it is only helped by the fact that Thais eat day and night, and like almost all in Bangkok, food can be obtained even in the middle of the night. Apart from its famous night markets operating all around the city, or street stalls ladling out mouth-watering noodle soup, most famous of which are serving starving backpackers all night on seedy Khao Sang, there are restaurants and cafes catering to all tastes. Pamper your taste buds into docile enchantment with Pakistani barbecues, or barbecue delight with outdoor seating and humongous barbecue grill on which milk tea is boiled. Or head to Chinatown, where it is necessary to be quite fastidious for the great number of the stalls on the road inevitably sell food saturated with traffic fumes. For the more sure options, head to one of the city's many food courts or find an establishment of your choice to dine in a luxurious setting, such as Peninsula Hotel, which can be more romantic for a dinner with your significant other. Reason 4. Take a boat ride and tuk ride after 7. Venice of the East is not the best epithet for Bangkok, but there is clearly one thing that makes Bangkok stand out even in comparison to the great Italian city. It is the Chao Phraya. Head to Mandarin Hotel and its Lord Jim Bar, where famous British writer Joseph Conrad once stayed. Located right by the river, it is where his Lord Jim pushed boisterous fellow drinkers right into muddy waters. There at the riverside you can find a boat station from which you can embark on a speedy vaparato to get you to a number of stations downstream, including Khao San Road. Note that the boats stop running at sunset or about 6 to 7, when a boat ride is especially pleasant with the cool, humid air tinged with the odor of algae and the unique fragrance of Chao Phraya and the setting sun. If it's too late for the boat ride, head to the roadside and wave down a tuk-tuk, called this because of the sound of its engine. Tuk-tuk is a must during your stay in Thailand, at least for one reason: tuk-tuk races. Reckless Thais are willing to engage in competition, which will make pallid the fair visage of Michael Schumacher himself, all that possible only at night. Don't forget to haggle, for even taxi drivers will try to overcharge by refusing to start taxi meters. Be persistent. Reason 5. Pagodas and palaces culture. Bangkok is known as the City of Angels, but there are few saints and even fewer churches. The city is dominated by Buddhist stupas picturesquely lining the Chao Phraya River. There are at least 3 stupas to visit on your trip to the capital of Thailand. Wat Phra Kaew is the most venerated temple in Thailand. Located within the King's Palace boundaries, it comprises over 100 magnificent buildings, golden statues, mosaics engulfing you in color, wall paintings, and is of the same age as the city itself. It traces its origin to 1782, when Bangkok itself saw the light for the first time. Wat Po is primarily known for its huge reclining Buddha. Coated in gold leaf, the statue stretches for 46 meters and is 15 meters high. It represents Buddha's passing into nirvana. The temple is also a place of mass pilgrimage of Thai culture lovers, for it is the place where the Thai massage originated. Wat Arun is another temple in Bangkok, located on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River. Called the Temple of Dawn, it is best visited early in the morning. But if you're willing to do a really touristy thing, head across the river at sunset and take a snap of the temple with the sky all glowing red. It is that you see on almost every Thai postcard stand. One of the best ways to save money traveling in Thailand is to go to a monastery and stay there for free for 2 weeks on just one condition: that you will keep silence. It is also a good means to get slim, for food is eaten only twice, in the morning and at lunchtime, and is just like the food you would expect in a monastery. Simple. Reason 6. Flower market on the river. Going out at night seems like a well-entrenched tradition for a traveler in Bangkok. Khao San, Sukhumvit, Silom, nightlife there caters to everyone, gay or straight, happy or sad. But there is another side to nocturnal City of Angels, and if there are Thai cherubs wandering somewhere at night, it is here. At least it is here that your heart feels the calm of the eternal. It is not only flowers covering stalls, filling warehouses, brimming full and piling on the pavements. It is the spirit of the place and the people who smile. The sellers work all night, but their lips evoke a sense of well-being and their love for the flowers, which can easily pass for the arcane formula behind the name of Thailand, the land of smiles. Reason 7. Cycling to Ayutthaya. Cycle to the ancient capital of Thailand. Here, one can forget oneself in the mazes of old alleys and feel an ardent explorer, strolling calmly with a Thai girl, smoking acrid cheroot, the parlor of whose skin is akin to the delicate bloom of frangipanis. Reason 8. Walking at night. Walk, 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 for Bangkok never sleeps. The best way to get this Wong Carvaish feel is to stroll from Khao San to Bangkok's gay district Silom. If not in for a drag queen gala, head to Lumpini Park entrance, where it is possible to saunter in company of numerous Thais, enjoying the night, drinking out on the pavement and celebrating life. Reason 9. Lumpini Park and giant lizards, also to be found not far from Icon. Lumpini is especially worth visiting at daytime when it is full of giant lizards and joggers. Run and you can love Bangkok for real. It is here that the capital's inhabitants run the immunity-boosting miles in company of tree-dwelling reptiles. Reason 10. Songkran in April. The best reason to visit Bangkok is Songkran, which takes place in April. The car fatality rates skyrocket, but it is fun! The reason behind both phenomena is that everyone splashes water on everyone, including motorists, who quite often are caught off balance and perish in this way. Buy water guns and engage in fierce battles to shoot your travel companion into a moist submission. Do you agree with our picks? Check out our other videos from Traveltastic and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.